Welcome, dear cadets. In today's lecture, we will discuss lecture number 3, neuron. First, definition of neuron. Neuron or nerve cell is the basic structure and function unit of nervous system. So, structure unit means that the whole nervous system is made of neuron or nerves, and the activities or the function of nervous system based on neuron or nerve cells. So therefore, it is a structure and function unit. The nervous system is composed of billion of neurons of different size and shapes performing different functions. Different types of neuron are present in the nervous system, and these neurons differ from one another on the basis of size and shape. Now, structure of neuron. The typical neuron is made of cell body, axon, and dendrites. These are the major parts of typical neuron. Cell body. It is the main region of the neuron. It consists of cell membrane encircling the cytoplasm, nucleus, and other organelles like Golgi complex, mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. It is the functional part of the neuron. Different processes thread-like projection extend out from the cell body. These are called dendrites and axon. So cell body, why cell body is called cell body? Because it consists of cell membrane and cytoplasm and organelles. So it is the main part of neuron, and the whole function performed by the cell body in order to receive the stimulus or sensation and deliver the sensation. So projection arises from the neuron. These projections are dendrites and axon. Axon is a long thread-like unbranched process extending from body side of the body. It takes nerve impulses away from the cell body. Axon carry away the nerve impulses. Nerve impulses means sensation. Sensation. Now, myelin sheath. Axon of larger neuron are generally covered by a white sheath called myelin sheath. So myelin sheath is basically the fatty sheath. Sheath means cover. So the fatty cover present on the upper surface of the axon, and it protects the axon. Dendrons, plural dendrites. Dendrites are short. The processes arise from the cell body. These are the short projection or thread-like structure arise from the main body of a neuron or cell body. Function of dendrites, their function is to bring the impulses toward the cell body. So the dendrite functions to carry sensation. Impulses mean sensations to the cell body. This is the structure of typical neuron. This is the cell body, the main body. Cell body consists of cell membrane, the nucleus, and cell body. So the cell body consists of nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane. And the projection, the dendrites, these are the thread-like small structure arise from the cell body, and it carries sensation or impulses to the cell body. And this is axon, the long rope-like structure. It consists of small cells. These small cells are called Schwann cells, and the gap present between the two cells, Schwann cell, is called node of Brenner. These are the axon terminals, and myelin sheath. This is the cover which protect the whole body of axon. Axon carry impulses away from the cell body. Types of neuron. There are basically three types: sensory neuron, motor neuron, associative neuron. First, the associative neuron. Those neurons which carry impulses from the sense organs, receptors, to the central nervous systems are called neurons. So sensory neuron carry sensation or impulses from receptors to the central nervous system. Receptors are the organs receive stimulus. For example, skin. Skin is the main receptor which receive stimulus of touch, stimulus of hotness. Motor neuron, those neurons which take impulse away from the central nervous system to effectors. Effectors are the muscles or glands are called motor neurons. So effectors are basically the Muscles are glands which give response. These are the organs or muscles that give response to particular stimulus. Associative neuron or interneuron. These neurons link sensory and motor neuron with each other. They are found in the central nervous system and make the brain and spinal cord. So the whole structure of the brain and spinal cord is made of the associative neuron, and it connect the sensory neuron with motor neuron. How it connect? First, it receive the stimulus, and then the stimulus is analyzed, the response is prepared, and then this response delivered to the motor neuron. So in this sense, we can say that sensory neuron and motor neuron connected by the associative neuron. Therefore, associative means connections. Therefore, it is called interneuron or associative neuron because this type of neuron, connect the motor neuron and the sensory neuron. So, students, this is all about the type and structure of neuron. If you have any question, commit me. I will give answer. Thank you.